Alright, g'day all. Probably haven't heard from me for a while, but it's a bit of an update on the old 31. Yeah, so got the LS1 billet bracket and LS1 alternator on it now. I went and installed the PRP Platinum Racing R35 coil kit for the RB. And got some of these nice dress-up bolts to match the purple. Which just look pretty sick. So yeah, it's all coming together. Slowly just, plodding along. Don't know if you've seen, but the pressure reg's mounted. Got the flex sensor, you can just see there. And yeah, so it's all good. I'm going to sort out the power steering because the high cas has moved. I removed some of the vanes out the back, but I think I might have, I don't know if that'll work, but or find one that doesn't have high cas pump, and that'll be sorted. I've got the turbo studs, I think are too long at the moment, so I might cut them down or do whatever, and then I'll mount the turbo and then start getting my head around where the piping's going to run. But I'm thinking that, I tell you what, that is so jizz. Anyway guys, thanks for your time. My videos are pretty short. If you want me to cover anything, just let me know.